Welcome, today we're going to show you how to get or find your API keys on Firebase in 2025. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Firebase console. After that, you need to start a new project and click on Get Started with Firebase Project as you from here. After that, you need to create a new project. So how you actually do that? First, you need to choose the default account for Firebase in the configuration as you from here. After that, you need to click on this button as see Create Project. Then from here, in this project overview page, you need to locate various ways of adding apps. Select the web icon. As see from here, you need to select this icon. After that, you need to register app by giving it a nickname. As see from here, you need to add any name that you want. Then you need to select the project settings from the project overview page. Now, look for the SDK setup and configuration under the general tab and select config. So as see from here, you will find all the details you want. You will find the API key as see from here. So let's just zoom in a little. You will find the API key, the auth domain, project ID, and every confidential thing that you don't want to share with anyone. So you will find it all here. You can use the API keys and everything you want. So that's it. That's actually how you find your API key in Firebase in 2025. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.